In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 common scripting mistakes that every beginner tends to make, and here are the tricks on how to avoid them. Starting off with tip number 1. Keeping your variables short and easy to read. While it's important to choose meaningful and descriptive names for your variables in your script, it's also beneficial to keep them concise and easy to read by using abbreviations or acronyms. However, make sure the abbreviations are widely recognized and easily understandable by other developers who might work on your code, or even just for your future self. Tip number 2. Organize your script by formatting your code. Writing inefficient code can negatively impact your game performance and responsiveness. This includes using excessive loops, calculations, redundant code, or not taking advantage of built-in functions and features provided by ROBLOX API. Optimizing your code can greatly enhance the player's experience while keeping your code easier to read as well as to change for the better. Tip number 3. Finding and fixing errors. Error occurs when the code violates the syntax rules of the programming language. This can include missing brackets, incorrect variable names, or misplaced punctuation. To fix the error, carefully review your code for any mistakes. The error message provided by the output panel can often guide you to the specific line or area where the error occurred. Simply just by using the print statement can help you find where the error is located. Tip number 4. Using open source. While free scripts can be found in the toolbox with valuable resources, it's crucial to approach their usage with care. First, by understanding its code and learning on how they achieve the final product. Another way of finding open sources is going to the dev forum and look at the free resources for the community as they explain on their posts how they create their script. Tip number 5. Don't give up. Remember, even experienced developers encounter challenges and moments of frustration that falls in line with learning curves, problem solving, and even creativity and exploration. So before you ever consider giving up, remember there's always a community to turn to. All you have to do is ask for help from either from the dev forum or a respective Discord server. And that, my friends, are the top 5 common scripting mistakes beginners tend to make. And while we're at it, if you ever need a community to ask for help, join my Discord server. Link is in the description below. Future Zik here. If you enjoyed the video and wish for more content like this, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button below. While you're at it, comment down below what would you like to see next. Until then, stay safe and I'll catch you later.